Vamos dizer ali mesmo, vamos dizer ali.
Now you wanna take a video. When I was fessing him up, he wasn't taking the video.
Tell me what you want to tell me.
Now when he's fucking me up, now you wanna take the video?
Hey, bro, hold up, what are you doing? Get the fuck out of here, nigga. Just stop playing me, man. Yo, come on, man, get your ass in there, man.
Oh, they baited and sent me up.
Close your legs, bro.
Nah, don't talk shit now. I'm thinking, nigga.
Yo, bro, why you? Nah, you OD now.
Him, bro.
It's you, bro. Stop that shit, bro.
Yo, it's him, bro.
Slap that shit, your lip, bro.
Him, nigga.
You better slap
Yo, bro, what you mean? Yo, bro, let him drive, bro.
Because if you touch me again, man, you boss. I'm so good.
Oh! He pop on you like that?
Yo, bro.
You got the card out already? Yo, let's do the same shit again.
Whoa. Let's do the same shit again.
Just pick a card and then just swipe it. That's all you gotta do.
I gotta pick the credit card.
No, bro, I'm not paying $25. Picking up his knife.
I don't know what. Stop playing. Yo, stop. Yo, chill. Look at him. He's so himself. He's so wonderful.
Oh, he's snitching right now.
Hold on.
Let's see if he shook his head. I wanna know what happened. Wait, yo, bro, it had to be stealing, bro. Cause look, the FedEx nigga. Cause like,
Yes,
he
bro. I
asking,
keep on seeing the FedEx people. He probably was stealing packages and shit.
yo,
So he probably trying to steal a whole vid.
a whole
Imagine. Imagine.
That
Talk about that. This.
Hey, dude, jacked a fucking FedEx truck.
Oh,
Yeah. Yo, he came in here asking for money. I was like, you ain't getting no money. Then he came out here. I was like, yo, you gotta go. He came right here. He hopped in the fucking truck and went down Jefferson. The packages flying out everywhere.
Oh. He had no shoes on already, or?
Nah, he had shoes. I don't know where his shoes went.
Dickhead.
This nigga's a dickhead. Listen to how stupid the nigga is, though, bro. FedEx is right there. That's the FedEx office.
Nah.
Oh.
Did you see him though? You already knew he was on some shit.
Went to the truck.
Yo, that nigga needed bread as soon as
Yo, bro.
Yo, nigga, why you take so long? My nigga, goddamn.
Fucking dumb.
Who shit is this?
On my shit, nigga. Yeah, I don't need it, nigga. I got tire patches.
Yeah, nigga, take it.
Bullshit.
He's wailing it up. Oh, he headbutted me.
Go back, baby.
Okay.
My bitch love.
This nigga's nah. Go ahead. Let him keep going. Okay.
Bro, you gotta watch the fucking road, okay?
Dog.
Okay.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Yeah, this it. This what we need here. Oh yeah, this what we need here. Oh, this what we need. Oh, whoa. Wait, how it look on
It
Snap?
looks dark as fuck. Give me the light now.
Put the light on. You fire? Yo, bro. We went to get some food while I'm getting my tires blacked out. Yeah, I like
I
it.
kind of thought the chrome looked kind of stupid with the black.
Yeah, tough. Yo, bro, chill. Yo, bro, Jesus Christ. Wait, ready? Go. Told y'all. Butter. Ah, you baited.
Young turn, they can't wipe no bitch. Excuse my French, don't like no bitch.